In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Amazon shopping mobile app. So if you are experiencing any errors, maybe the app keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve this on Android smartphone. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. And the first thing you need to do is to access the Amazon shopping app information page. Now to do this, go to settings and then access it. So I'll go to settings and then look for apps. Then from here, tap on manage apps. Now this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. Then scroll down and look for Amazon shopping. And as you can see, our app is here. If we tap on it, it will open the app information page. Alternatively, you can get to the same info page by simply long pressing on your app, and then you'll see app info. Tap on it, and then this will take you to the same page. So we are interested in clearing the data for this app. Now, if we go to storage, look for the option called cache. You can see we have a lot of cached data. Now, when you talk of cache, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app when you use it, and these files are normally stored to enhance your experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this problem, you have to go ahead and clear cache. And you can do this from here. If you tap on clear data, you'll see you have an option called clear all data and clear cache. So go ahead and tap on clear cache and OK. And as you can see, our cache data is 0 now. Now go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try and open your app. And at this point, it should work well. But in case that didn't solve your problem, then go to the next step, and that is to look for any update for this app through the Google Play Store. So to do that, just tap on Google Play and then search for your app. And here's our app. If you have any update, maybe the latest version, you'll see it here. And one of the reasons why your app is misbehaving might be because you are using the outdated version of your Amazon shopping app. So go ahead and update if you see any update here. And then go try opening your app and it should work fine. But should this still not work, then you might want to uninstall your app and install it afresh and see if that solves the problem. At this point, now everything should be okay and your app now should start running well. However, should all this not solve your problem, then it's time to contact Amazon Shopping and then find out if they are experiencing any problem with your app from their end. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.